Hello, welcome back to school. I have to do some problems. A lot of them. Well, I don't know where they are. That can't be right. There's a lot more than that. These, I have to do all these. These ones I get to use the blocks, so I'm gonna grab the blocks when I get to that point. All of these is review of fractions because I suck at fractions. So, let's quickly run through these. I'm gonna make this bigger. We'll see how long my neck holds on. Okay, 11 minus 8. Whoa. Focus. Okay, we have 11 minus 8 plus 4. 11 minus 8 is... I think it's... No, it's not 3. Yeah, it is 3. 8, 10... Yeah, it is 3. 8, 3. 11 less 8 is 3. Plus 4 is 6. No, 4. 3 and 4 are 7. That's what that one is. So that's 7. And then you got 7 less 6 is 1. Plus 8 is 9. And then 3 less 2 is 1. Plus 7 is 8. Nine less 2 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. Less 3 is 8. 8 less 5. Wait, is that an 8? Yeah, I think it's an 8. It's got a little wonky there. Okay. 8 less 5 is... 8 less 5. Oh, 8 less 5 is 3. Plus 4 is 7. 9 and 2 are 11. Less naught is 11. I don't think that's an... Yeah, I don't make my 6s weird like that. That's definitely a naught. I didn't have good lighting when I was writing these out. The next one, 10 and 1 are 11, less 7 is 4. Yeah, there's no way I could do this stuff like this quick last year at this time. 6 and 3 are 9, less 5 is 4. 2 and 4 are 6, less 1 is 5. And coming up at the top, we have 3 and 8 are 11, less 6 is 5. And 11 less naught is 11, less 4 is 7. And then 7 less 4 is 3. Plus 8 is 11. 6 less 5 is 1. Plus 6 is 7. 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are 11. Less 2 is 9. 7 and 3 are 10. Less 6. He threw a curveball. 7 and 3 are 10. Less 6 is 10 less 6 is 4. It's gotta be 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's gotta be, yeah. 7, 8, 9. Yeah, okay. 4 and 2, or 2 and 4 are 6. Plus 5 are 11. 1 and 3 are 4. Less 2 is 2. 8 less 4 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. And then 9 and 1 are 10. Less 6 is 4. Okay, so that concludes the first part. The second part, we get to pull out the blocks. So I'm going to get the blocks real quick. Okay, so we got the blocks all nicely in order. Okay, so now I'll just work these out on the book for now. So we got, basically, I have to fill in how many blocks will equal, oh, this should be a 20. I'm pretty sure that should be a 20. Because all these other ones were 20s. Okay, so yeah, so this is blank and blank equal 20. So I can grab my blocks. He had like 2 blocks. Whoops. Equal 20 units or something like that. Okay, so here's a 10, and there's a 10. So 2 10s. So 2 10s equal 20 units. Each of these little ones, like this here, that's like 1 unit. That's 2 units. That's 3 units. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each of these little squares is 1 unit. Okay, so we have 2 10s. And 2 10s have 2 units. Or 2 10s have 20 units. So we're gonna go 10. And 10. I don't know why it's focusing on my knuckle. But yeah. Okay, so then it says blank and blank and blank equal 20. So I can do a 10 block. I only can use 3 blocks. So let me do a 10 and 2 5s. And that will also equal 20. I think I can use the same blocks. I don't know how else I'd be able to do it. So we got 1 10 and 2 5s will give me 20. So there's a 10, and there's a 5, and there is a 5. Get my knuckle out of there. Okay, so now I gotta find 1, 2, 3. I have to find 4 blocks that equal 20. And I don't know if I could still do 10s. Oh, you know what I could do? I could do... Oh, that's a 7. I could do a 5 and a 4. So this is a 4. So I could do a 5 and a 4. Hold on. No, I need a 4 and a 6. Hold on. What one is my 6? I think these are 7s. These might be 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are my 7s. Are these my 6s? Okay, my 6s are next to my 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are my 6s. So I could go 4 and 6. And I still need 3 more. No, I need 2 more. And this is what? 1, 2. This is a 5. Oh, I could do like 2 and an 8, because that equals 10. Okay, so we're gonna... Oops, I lost my pen. So we're gonna do a 2. That's a 2. And then we're gonna do an 8. And that's 4 blocks. So there's an 8. And there's a 5 and a 2. Or a 6 and a... Oh, I'm losing track of what I'm doing. Okay, so there's 8. And there's 10. There we go. So this is an... we have an 8. And a 2. And a 6. And a 4. So those blocks will equal 20. So we could go an 8 and 2 and then 6 and 4. Okay, I'm gonna fix that real quick. Hold on. I want to fix the 4. There we go. Okay, so then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to find 5 blocks that equal 20. Let's do 9 and 2. That's 11. Yeah. I don't know. Do you want to do that? We could do 9 and... Let's see what happens if we do 9 and 2. Okay. So we could do, I call this dentist color. It reminds me of the dentist. Okay, 9 and 2. Oh my gosh. Okay. 9 and 2 are 11. And then we need to then get, let's see, that's 9 and 2. I think I'm going way beyond my ability. Uh-oh. We could do 7. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. So we need 1, 2, 3. We need a 4 block. Oh wait, no. We could do a 3 and a 1. Because we need 5 blocks. So we could do a 3 and then a 1 block. And that will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, so we have 9 block. So we have a 9, and then we have a 2. And then we have a 7. And then we have a 3. And then we have a 1. And that all equals 20. I hope. Let me count. This is, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, 20, 21. Uh-oh. We have 1 too many blocks. Oh no, if we take out a block, we can't do it then. Because then we're short by 2. Hold on. Let me think about this. We can do, let's see here. This is 7. Let's do a 6. Let's take this one out. And then we could do a 6 block. I knew I was going to get myself in trouble with this last one. So we could do a 6 block. And then we could do a 3. And then we could do a 1. I forgot that this was 11. So let me erase these out. Okay, so the 3 can stay. And the 1 can stay, but the 7 had to come out. We had to replace it with a 6. Okay, so we got that done. So let's put the blocks back so we don't lose them. Oops, we gotta put them back in the right houses. Otherwise, we won't be able to find them when we need them for class. All the blocks have their own little house. And the 9 block goes back with his other dentist friends. And the pink one goes back with the other 3. We need 3 here. Okay. And then the 6 block goes back with its other 6 friends here. Okay, so that covers that part of my assignment. Next, we have all of these. 6 divide... Oh. Okay, let me see what I could do in my head. Because if I can do them in my head, it's a lot quicker than working with the blocks. Okay, so we got 6 divided by... Hold on. 3 divided by 6. Or is it 6 divided by 3? Plus 2. 6... Hold on. Okay. I gotta think about this. Now, he said it was like 3 goes into 6 how many times? 3 goes into 6 2 times. And then if you add 2, you get 4. There we go. Okay. 3 goes into 9. Get my knuckle out of the way. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And then you add 3 and you get 6. That's a really bad 6. I'm going to fix that. Okay, we're going again for the 6. Whoops, we got to write it in the right line. Otherwise, we'll get our problem wrong. That's not good. Alright. I have to practice writing my 6 that way. I saw it done on manuscript and I thought, that's really cool. But I need to practice writing it like that, so I'll do it the old way. Okay. So we got 6 there. 5 goes into 10 twice. And then you add 8 and you get 10. And then 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. And then 2 goes into 8 4 times. And then you add 6 and that's 10. I hope I'm doing this correctly. 3 times 3 is 9, and then you add 2, and you get 11. And then 4 goes into 8 twice, then you add 6, and you get 8. I think children got done with school. I wish I was done with my school. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and then you add 4 to 3. Oh gosh, whoa. Hold on. My brain just did an overcharge here. Okay. 2 goes into 6 3 times. My eye's going buggy right now. 2 goes into 6 3 times. And then 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are 7. And then you add 4, that's 11. Because 4 and 7 are 11. Okay, next section. We have 1 times 1 is 1, plus 4 is 1. That's 5. 1 and 4 are 5. And then you take away 3, and that is 2. And then the next one, you have 12. No, that's a 2. 2 goes into 4 twice. And then you add 2, so that's 2 and 2 are 4. And then you take away 2, and that's 2. Oh my gosh. Okay, 9 goes... Oh gosh. I'm going to need the blocks for these. Actually, I'm going to skip this section for now. I'm going to go to the last two. Okay, so we got 3 times 3 is 9, and then you add 2, that's 11. And then 3 times 2 is 6, then you add 5, and that is 6 and 5 is 11, and then you take away 2, and you get 9. That's not... It's a 9. It's a 9. Okay, now these other ones I need the blocks for. Okay, this is gonna be 1. 9 goes into 10, 1 and 1/9 of a time. So you got 1. Then you have 1/9. And then 4 goes into 5 one time. But then you still have some leftover space. So you can put in 1/4, and that will fill your bar. So that's 1/4. And then 3 goes into 9 2 times. No! 3 goes into 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. I don't know if that's a 3. That looks like a really bad 3. I'm gonna fix that. Okay, we gotta fix our 3 so that it's nice. That's a nice looking 3. Yep, that's a nice looking 3. We'll keep that one. Okay, and then the next one, 5 goes into 7 one time, but then there's some leftovers. I think it's 3/5 is left over, and that'll fill your bar. Okay. So I think that's Matt's homework, and it's all done now. At least that part of it. I still have a quick oral page, which is not going to be exciting because it's like a big long column, just columns of numbers to add. But I got this part done, which is the big part that I wanted to get done. And then I have flashcards. I think I'll do flashcards next, and then I'll do my other book work for oral stuff. So I'm gonna let... Oops, my blocks are not closing. Hold on. How do I get my blocks to close? You shake them around. It's still. Huh. Oh, it's my 10. These things are very finicky. Okay, so that is nice and even. And this one should go in. It literally should just go in. There we go. I don't know why it's not going in all the way, but okay. And then this one. I wish I could make these things wider. They're not wide enough. Okay, so this. Oh, this red crayon is for the hundreds. That one is for the tens. Okay, so we're gonna put these away. Okay, those are all pretty in place. And I guess those are fine. Everything else should lay flat. I don't know why this bottom one isn't closing. Oh, is this one being a nincompoop? Let's... Well, that one closes. I don't know why this one's not. Oh, I just had to push harder. And then for the other ones, which just... These should not be a problem. Brown crayon needs to come out. Okay, that can go like that. This needs to stand. That. Oops. As I slice my fingers apart, it's the plastic. Okay. And then crayon can go there. Okay, there's one. There's two. Okay. We got the blocks put away. If you want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.